High School. Number 4, Marcus Lota. Number 15, Romeo Marquez.
Let's go, Romeo!
Number 22, Nevio Booster.
Nevio!
Number 25, Marcus Scott.
Let's go, MJ!
And number 30, Ryan Gilmore.
Let's go, Brian!
And now the starting lineups for our home Paula Chieftains. Starting with number 0, Trey Nunez. Number 3, Alex Hart.
Let's go, Alex!
Number 4, Dave Munoz. Number 5, Aiden DeLucci. And number 11, Kayla Inubaya. Best of luck to both teams.
You restarted?